only set, but we do have sentences in the Quizlet set, which we will go and have a look at after we've done this. Okay, clothes and accessories. Okay, well, we'll start with a few accessories. Úriter, wristwatch. Úriter comes from úr. Obviously, that's quite easy. I also told you which noun is masculine and which one is feminine, because it's kind of important, especially when you start adding colors to different clothes. Okay, speklaren, glasses. This is easy enough. Speklaren. Oh, right, but I don't see the picture of you guys. Okay, speklaren, glasses. So, next one. Crease, also masculine noun. Obviously, for plural, it doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine. Plural follows different rules.
Is that why
speculum doesn't have?
have?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So only singular nouns. I marked them masculine or feminine, but plural nouns are different. So.
Okay.
Okay. So crease belt. Next one, Jesha. Jesha. That's a feminine noun. That's the word for suit of any kind. In this case, it's a business suit, but a suit of any kind. Okay. Jesha. Okay. So, Fellig. Kilt. Fellig. Masculine noun. Okay. Drash. Feminine noun. Drash. Underwear.
Same for male underwear as well.
Any kind of underwear is drash.
Okay, drash.
Oh, the bottom part of it, obviously.
I thought so. In Duolingo, they always say that Ian is lost. Ian is without drash. So
Yeah. So any kind of bottom part of underwear is drash, and it's a feminine noun. Okay. Brickish garage. So the word brickish is feminine. That's why it's brickish garage, not brickish garage. Okay.
sorry.
Brickish garage.
British garage.
Okay. Brickish garage. Okay.
It's literally short breeks, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, exactly. But brickish is a feminine noun, so that's why. Okay, next one, bonnet. Bonnet or hat. Bonnet. Feminine noun. We have another word for hat, which is coming. Yep, at. Another word for hat, also feminine. At. Right. Next one, Gensi. So we think it's the English word for jersey. Okay. Gensi. That's it's used in Gaelic as jumper. Gensi.
Can't see Nordic.
Yes, there. Yeah. masculine noun. Right, next one. Lenie. Lenie. Lenie is a feminine noun. Shirt. Oh, lenie. Any kind of shirt is lenie. A t-shirt is lenie tee. Okay. So, shirt. Lenie. Okay. Well, next is dressa. Feminine noun. Dressa. And that's a dress. It's interesting that in Irish there is a word for dress, which is guna, which is basically gown. So, so in any case, it's going to be English. Right? So dressa. Of course, they probably didn't have dresses. They had big the kilts, but you can just wear in a different way. Yeah, men wore it in one way, and women wore it in a different way. And so just slightly longer and different way at the top. Okay, so-called big kilts. Okay, and the next one is Pechen. Pechen. What you can see here is the exact Pechen. Okay, waistcoat. This is kind of thing that was called Pechen. First, you have different, like suit-like ones. And they're also called Pechen in Gaelic, but in fact, they're not proper Pechen. Okay. So, Brickish. Brickish. The trousers. Feminine noun. Brickish. And it's actually singular. In English, it's plural, trousers. But in Gaelic, brickish is actually singular. Brickish. And it's a feminine noun. Well, same with shorts, it's a singular as well. Singular noun. That's okay. Skirta. Skirta. Another feminine noun. Skirta. Okay. I think we have one or two. Båtanen next one. We have footwear yet. So båtanen, boots. Any kind of boots are båtanen. Welly, including welly boots. So here you see welly boots. Any kind of boots are båtanen. Anything that's not shoes. Båtanen, plural noun. So. Next one, although you only see one. In fact, it's broken. Broken. For shoes. And anything that's not boots is shoes, right? So broken shoes. Okay, and the last one is Stokkenen. Stokkenen. Socks.
Stokkenen.
Stokkenen. Stokkenen.
Stokkenen.
Stokkenen. Well, now it's used for socks, but of course, if you think of kilt socks, they are quite long, so they are more like, well, to say stockings. Yeah. kilt socks are quite long. And stocking, but any socks are stocking these days.